friends, welcome back to my channel, and you're giving me a very great response to my videos in the very early stage. It feels me very happy, and also it makes me very grateful and thankful to you. And share my video as much as you can and encourage people who are doing good things. Today's video is going to be very wonderful because it's going to be very touching. You know, everybody has friends in their lives because they are the only stress relievers that we have in our lives, because everybody go through some problems. Everybody can't tell their whole problems to only parents. There are some problems which are very connected to friends, and which we can easily communicate with our friends. But not only friends, we have that one best friend who makes us feel very happier the way we are, and also encourages us to do more. They will tap you, they will encourage you as much as they can. So today's topic is only talking about best friend. In everybody's life, best friend is one necessity. It's an important thing that everyone should have in their life to relieve their stress, to talk open-heartedly, without any lies, without any conditions. So everybody has some problems in lives. Not only big persons or matured persons. Everybody has some problems. Everybody has some minute problems, some school kind of things, or some problems means not all very big problems that we can't share with our parents. We only share with our best friends. We will be sharing those things with only our nearer, closest, dearest friends. So talking about them is something very magical, because we can't talk about our best friends very much. We just can't express our best friends, how they behave with us, or how they treat us, how they receive us. We can't really tell in our words. We can't describe how helpful our friends are, how they are very, very, very near to our heart. So the one thing that I want to tell you is, never lose your best friends for silly reasons. Never ever do that, because your anger comes and goes in a while of second. It doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter to say sorry to your friends or your best friends with if you are right also. Just you're mattering the opposite person more than being right. So sorry is not at all a problem. Just if you have any problems with your friends, just don't make the relationship go very far. Just explaining, and if you have made any mistake, just apologize and just mingle with them in very small period of time. Don't make a very, very, very far gap between you and your friend or best friend in the time of some problems, or you have some small kind of fights that are sweet at the same time. Sometimes they may be over sweeter. Okay, so nothing more to say. Just don't leave your best friends or friends. Just don't. There will be only one best friend in your life. You should be never losing them. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.